In today's episode, we are diving into the explosive breakthroughs in China's flying car industry in 2025. We got a lot to uncover. For example, XPeng Aero HD turning an electric van into a skybound mothership, EHang's fully certified autonomous air taxis already grabbing regulation green lights, and Autoflight's record-breaking inner-city eVTOL flights making headlines left, right, and center. All of these innovations are there to challenge the US's dominance in the technology industry, and they are slowly but surely writing history right in front of our eyes. Let's start our list with XPeng Aero HD, a project that's nothing short of revolutionary. XPeng's concept takes a six-wheeled electric van and transforms it into a dual-mode vehicle. One moment it's rolling around the highways, and the next its rear hatch drops open and the two-seat flying module slides out. During a recent live demo, the company's founder, Zhao Deli, piloted this detachable drone module in a flawless public display. They've already racked up over 2,000 pre-orders, with production now targeted for mid-2026 in their sprawling new factory. If there isn't a sign that the future is here, we don't really know what is. Let's dive a little bit more into the details. At its core, XPeng is designed to serve dual functions. One on the road, it operates like a fully electric van that fits right into the modern urban scene. But the magic happens when it transitions into the air. With a simple command, the van's rear hatch slowly opens like a secret door, revealing a compact, aerodynamic drone module equipped with 6 rotors. In that split second, the vehicle detaches, its rotor spinning into action to lift the module off the ground. Zhao Deli's live demo showed the module hovering above a custom-designed landing pad, and it performed a smooth takeoff before cruising over the test circuit. This demonstration was not just a show, it was a validation of a technology that's been in development for years and finally reached a critical milestone. And with regulatory backers already hinting at a possible fast-track certification for dual-mode vehicles in select Chinese cities, XPeng's Aero HD is positioned as a real contender for transforming urban transit. Coming next up in our list, EHang is making waves by taking the pilotless concept to new heights. Literally. In October 2023, EHang's EH216S became the world's first fully certified autonomous passenger eVTOL, receiving a type certificate from CAAC that set the stage for commercial operations early this spring. CAAC granted EHang an operational license, a monumental step that means regular passengers can now book a ticket and experience the future of air travel firsthand. EHang's approach is all about efficiency and autonomy. With its twin-rotor configuration and a range of 30 to 35 kilometers per charge, the EH216S is built for short hops and is truly ideal for sightseeing tours and localized transport. Social media exploded when footage of these low-altitude flights went viral. Videos captured the silent ascent and the graceful glide over the city skyline, and then performing a precise landing with zero turbulence. The technical specifications are just as impressive. EHang's autonomous system relies on an intricate network of sensors, 5G connectivity, and cloud-based AI that processes flight data in real time. During its certification process, EHang logged over 10,000 autonomous flight hours in simulations and live tests, proving that its system can handle everything from sudden weather changes to unexpected obstacles. And while many Western companies remain cautious, EHang's aggressive testing schedule has given it a head start, as regulators in China are clearly confident, allowing low-altitude operations for unmanned air taxis before most other nations have ever taken their first flight. But the innovations don't stop there. Hailing from Shanghai, Autoflight is stepping in with a different playbook. a focus on connecting cities with larger inner-city eVTOL vehicles. Autoflight's flagship prototype, Prosperity One, isn't designed for short, scenic hops. It's crafted for efficiency on longer routes. In one jaw-dropping demonstration, Prosperity One completed a 50-kilometer journey from Shenzhen to Zhuhai in just 20 minutes. That flight wasn't just a show of speed, it was a statement that the future of regional travel could defy traditional road congestion. In February 2023, Autoflight even set a new benchmark by flying about 250 kilometers on a single charge. This long-range flight achieved through an innovative lift plus cruise configuration, so Prosperity One switched from a vertical lift mode to a wing cruise mode mid-flight, which optimized its energy consumption and achieved impressive range and speed. With its sleek, modern design, spacious cabin, and advanced battery management, Prosperity One is envisioned not only as passenger vehicle, but as a blueprint for an interconnected network of air routes. Major orders have already been inked. One large helicopter service provider in China has ordered 100 units to integrate air taxi services along busy regional corridors. And the international buzz is real. Autoflight is already planning demonstration flights in Japan, with the Paris Olympics looming as an opportunity to showcase its technology on the world stage.